Nakalabas na kami ng Dubai Mall. Oh my gosh! Wow! Wait lang guys, I'm going to show you. But right now, I'm going to appreciate it with my eyes. It's so tall. The fountain show is going to start. And ang daming tao.
Everything is MR. All buildings in downtown are MR. Owned by MR.
Guys, ang tangkad niya. Like, amazing. But of course, hindi niyo siya may imagine talaga sa video. It's not doing any justice. Guys, look at those people. So, yung fountain show is every 15 minutes. And mag-aantay ulit kami ng another 15 kasi nasa likod kami kanina. Although nakita naman namin kanina. Mas maraming tao sa New Year.
Like times 10 of this crowd. Like, look at that. Look at the traffic.
Hi! So today is day 3 Dubai. We're in the metro ngayon kasi work ngayon si Ate Grace and Kuya Ahmad. So yeah, bahala na kami sa buhay namin today. Although very chill lang naman yung lakad namin kasi may sakit na kaming lahat. May napapagalitan sa metro. Hindi makakross.
The next station is Max.
Ang daming tao. So, nandito na kami sa one and only agenda of the day. Skyview Observatory. Ang haba ng pila, pero we bought our tickets online sa Klook. So, claim lang ni Pao.
sad.
We just got out of the station. Naiwan si Pau.
Naiwan si Paolo, buti na lang alert siya.
Sabi kasi ni Manang, next.
Sabi ko, next station after this station.
Hindi ko narinig yung after. Basta sabi mo lang, next.
Dapat pala, dalawa next na. Sabi mo, baka yun ah. Sabi niya, Bunsuman.
Kaya nagtaka ko, next, ay baka dito na lang. Wala ko.
Bala kayo dyan.
Nag-away na.
Uy, Philippines. Jollibee. Wala silang bubuyog. Ay, meron. Hindi yung ano yung statue.
Ayun, sa movie.
Philippines. Parang nasa Manila lang naman tayo. Guys, budot yung tinutugtog nila. Sayo ka na. Binibidyo niya yung budots.
Don't touch.
Juice World.
Hinawakan ka agad.
Sabing do not touch. Pinagmamalaki ni Manang Tukoy.
Ano yung may pinagmamalaki ng Juice World, pero ewan ko
Parang disappointed. Ay, akala ko hanggang dulo. Mirror pala. Juice World. Ang lamig. Parang nasa loob ka talaga ng ref. Let's taste. Ano to kasi? Kaluda. Kaluda. Kala namin juice siya. Dinner. Damascus restaurant. What type of ano to? Arabic?
Arabic.
Arabic.
Parang one of the oldest restaurants here in Alriga. Damascus. Like, I've been, it's been a while. It's been a long time. Grilled eggplant. Wait, let's put the lemon.
Is this the ano, hummus? Hummus.
The hummus is different. It's a paste. Hummus is a paste.
Ah,
Same like baba ganoush, but like, I think baba ganoush is better than hummus. For me, I don't know. I'm not sure.
na-refill agad yung ano. Etong bread, what do you call it?
Kubus.
Hugo.
Kubus.
Sili man yan, sili.
And this is the fattoush salad with fried bread. And with a pomegranate sauce. I think this is a pomegranate sauce.
Ah, malagkit siya.
Yeah. Oops. Okay. I'm good, thank you.
Pwede mag-gusto kami.
How is it?
Try.
Hindi naman na.
Do you wanna try hummus? Same like this.
I like pomegranate naman eh.
Ito naman na.
Tomato. Yung salad nila, sinerve nila na... Ha? Yung salad nila, sinerve nila na buo-buo. They did not slice. Buong tomato, buong cucumber, buong cabbage. Sarap ang food dito. Arabic food. So far, nakain natin Persian, Iranian. I don't know.
Ito? Arab talaga.
Arab
Ang
talaga.
alam ko, may-ari ng Aros Damascus Syrian.
Mm.
are Egyptian. Syrian or Egyptian. 60 talaga siya.
Pag sa Pinas yan, parang
Pinahid lang.
Pinahid lang.
Pinahid na siya umay.
Gusto ko yung pickled radish nila.
Nga ba?
Hi! It's our New Year's Eve. Still a New Year's Eve here in Dubai, but New Year's is already happening in the Philippines.
Yes.
Yes. And you know, I'm with my English-speaking friends here in Dubai.
Sir.
Tawa-tawa lang siya dyan sa tabi. And yeah, kumain na kami kanina and nag-games. And now karaoke. New Year's salubong in the streets of Morocco. Yay! Fireworks over there. Just take your card. Nahanap na namin yung Asay spot. Ako lang ka din nag-crave yan.
Para madali siyang kainin. Pero dapat talaga sa maliit.
Thank you.